and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. Cryptocurrency markets spared some of the gains clocked in the previous session on the back of modest growth in the US inflation alongside banking sector's continued rebound from near disaster. Bitcoin surpassed the $26,500 mark momentarily but retreated to $24,600 level. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 1% at 34,200 points. As per data from the block, around 723 million USDC were burnt in a single transaction, analysts said. However, over $2.2 billion worth of USD coin have been burnt since the start of this week as redemptions crossed $4 billion on 14th March. Moderation in the US inflation during February to 6% from January 6.4% ignited a rally in risky assets amid hopes the Federal Reserve would take a pause in rate hike. The consumer price index rose 0.4% last month after accelerating 0.5% in January, the Labor Department said. This lowered the year-on-year increase in the CPI to 6%, the smallest annual gain since September 2021. Some analysts are changing the narrative of Bitcoin, saying that the Bitcoin is now trading as an alternative currency as the Fed pivot narrative remains strong in the crypto community. It has stopped trading as a risk asset, they asserted. In another interesting news, Cathie Wood, CEO of ARK Invest, launched an attack on the US banking system targeting the recent collapse of multiple banks. She stated that the instability in the banking system even threatened stablecoins and the on-ramps to DeFi. Banks have been under pressure as traders navigate the fallout from Silicon Valley Bank's and Signature Bank's failures. Investors have been fearing that these issues could be widespread. However, a rally in bank shares led the broader market to sharp gains. In a recent news, with the US allowing depositors to withdraw their cash in full from crisis hit Silicon Valley banks, Indian startups have been able to withdraw funds worth $250 to $300 million in the past 24 hours. Stock futures fell as the regional banks continued their decline as fear lingers that the recent banking turmoil would spread to the broader sector. Future tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 345 points or 1.1%. While S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures lost 1% and 0.9% respectively. Bitcoin was trading at $24,650, up 1%. Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency, scaled above the $26,500 mark for the first time in 9 months before losing some of its gains. At one point, BTC had risen by double digits for a second consecutive day. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 0.8%, trading at $1,693. BNB was up by 1.2% to trade at $310. Solana SOL was up 3% and was trading at $20.8. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $17, higher 3%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 3.5% to trade at $1.2. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 2.7% at $0.074. Shiba Inu was trading up by 1%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.37, up by 0.3%. Polkadot was up by 2.2% to trade at $6.3. However, Cardano's ADA token was down by 1% to trade at $0.34. That's all in Coin Monitor for now. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV and have a great day. According to a post by blockchain security firm Halborn, a vulnerability discovered last year in the open source code base of the DogeCoin network is still present in at least 280 other networks. Halborn's investigations revealed that similar vulnerabilities existed in a number of other networks, including Litecoin and Zcash. According to Halborn, this could expose over $25 billion in tokens to potential security risk. The vulnerability has been dubbed RAB13S by Halborn. According to the researchers, the most critical vulnerability discovered in the affected networks is related to how peer-to-peer communications are carried out in these networks. While some of the vulnerabilities were previously found on the Bitcoin network, HAL1 also identified a zero-day vulnerability that was uniquely related to DogeCoin. This particular vulnerability was related to remote procedure call services, which could allow attackers to execute code remotely and impact individual miners. Platform for decentralized storage, Filecoin has built its own virtual machine, allowing it to support smart contracts and thus enter the world of decentralized applications, NFTs, liquid staking, and other technologies. The network was always intended to provide decentralized file storage, but now that it has launched its Filecoin virtual machine, it can support applications built on it. The goal is for this to encourage more tools to be built on the network, make token trading easier, support the creation of decentralized social media, and eventually become its own thriving ecosystem. The virtual machine that Filecoin will use will give it the same capabilities as Ethereum, allowing anyone to build any type of decentralized application on the network. It will also be able to support bridges to other blockchains and connect more closely to the rest of the crypto ecosystem. Bresser noted that SushiSwap, Elixir, and Stellar are all integrating with Filecoin. In collaboration with Polygon Labs, Unstoppable Domains launched the Polygon domain extension. This will make it easier for anyone to send money over the Polygon blockchain using applications that support this service. Crypto domain names are used to replace the long alphanumeric strings that are used to publicly identify wallets. The idea is that they are simple to type and remember. While such domain services must be integrated by crypto wallets and applications, Unstoppable Domains claim that Polygon domains will be usable in 750 applications, games, and Metaverse. In the upcoming special segment on partnerships, we will update you about the following news. Dominica and Tron partner to revolutionize digital identity and Metaverse. Crypto exchange Bybit teams up with Red Bull for Athlete DevT program. Teraboot Gateway partners with Rain to accelerate crypto payments in MENA. Stay tuned for more updates. We will keep you connected to the evolving world of NFTs.
For accurate and latest updates of cryptocurrency markets and global regulations.
Metaverse and Web3.
3.0 TV covers the latest crypto crimes.
Keeps you updated about the global crypto events and exhibitions.